If you're looking for a lightweight muzzle that is comfortable for your dog to wear, then this one is a great option. So it's made from a really soft, breathable mesh material to help keep your dog comfortable while still allowing plenty of airflow. One thing that I really love is that it doesn't completely restrict your dog's mouth, so they can still like pant, drink water, even take like small treats whenever they are actually wearing it. So this is especially helpful during training sessions, walks, grooming appointments, or even like vet appointments. The Velcro straps right on the top here, they are adjustable, so it actually makes it really easy to get a secure fit. I also really like that the mesh material is easy to clean or rinse off. So if you are looking for a comfortable muzzle, then give this one a try.